Tonight is New Year's Eve. So 2024 is coming very fast. We're only a few hours away. So 2023 has been such a great year for us because we got to experience a lot of things and go to a lot of the places in Vietnam. And I hope that you guys have been enjoying our content on YouTube so far.
We only have 15 minutes until midnight, 15 minutes until the new year.
And this is so crazy. This is the first time that we experience, the celebration for the New Year's in the city. We're like blown away right now due to the amount of vibrancy and liveliness and the amount of people.
Oh my God, the amount of people is insane. As you probably saw in the footage already, the road is so congested. There's not a lot of parking anywhere. We're really lucky that we even got the spot that we did. But oh man, this is insane.
I just turn the page, let it ride, what a life. And ooh, yeah, I feel it now. Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for good time.
I hope that everybody has a happy new year and wishing you all the best in the coming year. Now, if you've liked our content that we've posted so far about traveling through Vietnam, then we would really appreciate it if you help support us by subscribing to our channel and liking this video.
Happy New Year, and we'll see you more in 2024.
Happy New Year! They just had like the regular spewy fireworks, no big ones like I'm used to. But as David already mentioned, the World New Year is not as big as Lunar New Year here, so I think I'm gonna have to wait until Lunar New Year now in order to see those big and glorious fireworks.